We only got 2 projects left. Usually we have a 4x4. Our reveal date has been moved back because a couple other companies wanted to get involved, which I think is awesome. And more work's being done to the truck. As far as we're done with the truck. It's in the garage right now, drying. We can't show you it. Can't show it to you yet, but the truck's in the garage drying. Our reveal date has been moved back because other companies have gotten involved and want to do stuff with him and do stuff for the truck and do stuff for Rory, which I think is awesome. We're out here looking at right now because we want to move on to our next project. Now I have this square body S10. It's my race truck. It's got Caltrax on it, 8.8 rear end. It's LS swapped with twin turbo. It's got a FTI power glide in it. It's pretty close. It needs drive shaft. It needs the rest of the roll cage done, and just put back together and up and running and wired. We got a lot of parts for this truck. The cage is mostly done. Just need to do the front down bars. We got bars back there. Everything's done. Seat belts are in. So yeah, it's been sitting here for a few years now, but it's twin turbo with a carburetor. We're old school. We go carburetors on everything, so it's got a CNS blow through carburetor. Paid a lot of money for that deal. We have this over here, which we've had for a couple years, and everybody kind of liked my sheet metal video, and we're thinking about giving it a haircut, chopping it down, doing all that, videoing it. Usually we have pickup trucks. Usually we only do pickup trucks, but this was kind of a cool car. I got a really good deal on it, and it looks probably looks good on camera, but it is not. It needs a lot of body work. It's cracking. Whoever did the body work before didn't do that great of a job. So this car will need just a little bit of everything. You can show them inside too if you want. But I think this is going to be our next project, just because I want to kind of get moving on it and do stuff. With my broken back, I really don't need a race car right now. So it would be nice to have it out. A couple of my friends have asked if they can take it to their shop and, you know, either store it for me or, you know, maybe sell it, put it together. I don't know yet. We don't know what we want to do with this truck yet. It's all here. All the parts and stuff are here. Fuel system's done. It's got a twin screw Holley fuel pump that supports like 1,400 horsepower or something like that. And then this, it's actually got a big block Chevrolet in it. Oh, I forgot I robbed some parts off this carburetor. It's been quite a few months since we've worked on this, but it's got a big block Chevy in it. It doesn't fit. It's just kind of shoehorned in here, and I traded this motor. So this is actually my buddy Aaron's motor that helped me with the fiberglass. This is actually his motor. I traded it for a running small block, and then I sold the running small block. So this motor will have to come out, and we'll have to find like a junkyard 350 or something. I'd like to find, I think it's got a turbo 350 in it right now, transmission. I'd like to put a 700 R4 in it so we can travel down the road, go to car shows with it, do like what Aaron did with his car this year, take it all the way to California. That would be what this car is. Chop top, 50, 60 style, little cruiser custom hot rod. Mild custom. Other than the chop, it'd be a mild custom. We're not going to go crazy with it, and just have some fun with it. It's got a big aluminum radiator in it, and yeah, the big block just doesn't fit. And it does, as far as like traveling and stuff like that, I think a small block would be a lot better. Even like a 305, just something that'll do 70 miles an hour on the interstate, 80 miles an hour, and just cruise and be reliable. So this is what we have. It's definitely going to stay on the white walls. I like that look. I like that 50s custom cruiser look. Like I said, I really don't need a race car right now. I would like to finish that truck, but it's just not in the cards right now. So let us know what you guys think. We're going to go back to work on Rory's truck. This was going to be in the reveal video. So now that we're doing a complete different reveal video and a lot more people are getting involved, then we'll go ahead and put this video out, and you guys tell me what you guys think. I just kind of thought I'd stop real quick and just give you guys what I'm kind of doing here. You see all those pits? Now this fender is really straight, okay? Like it's real straight, the lines are good. I've already sanded right here. I've already sanded right here with my flat block, and I've done right here. And then to get this right here, I like to use this round block. I've even used a piece of tubing before, but I like to use this round block. What this is, see that mist of purple? That is just purple rattle can. Just like some purple spray paint. And I just go around the truck and just mist it all over the place. Just mist it everywhere as my guide coat. I don't go out and buy no fancy powdered guide coats or anything like that. You know, that just ain't our style, and I don't feel like there's a need to buy products you don't really need. So all you do when we're doing that, try to hold the camera steady and sand is really hard. But anyways, and you sand. This is the final sand. This is the final sanding this truck's gonna get. This is all blocked by hand. As you can see already, we're starting to get rid of them. There's a few there still. So you just go around, don't spray it heavily. Don't spray the spray paint heavily. And go around the whole truck. Normally I'd be using both hands and going both directions, but it's kind of hard to do right at the moment. Holding the camera. Hopefully I'm not too close. I'm zoomed out as far as I can. It still seems like it's really close, but anyways. Okay, now let's have a look. See, I always keep one of these deals around, and nothing wipes dust better than one of these. And then there you go. You can kind of see some shadowing. I think the shadowing is from my lights, and yes, we are working on getting some new lights in the shop. I've been told a few times that we need to brighten it up in here. So yes, we are going to work on that. Let's see. We're starting to get rid of all those little pits. All those little dots and stuff. That's just guide coat sprayed on there, and that's exactly what that's for. You spray the guide coat on, make sure this thing is dead flat. You can't get anything straight without using a block. Okay? These things are dead straight, round, whatever you got. You know what I mean? And go around the whole truck. Sharpen your edges out. I always concentrate on the edges and the tops of things. Make sure those are nice and straight, because that's what's going to shine in your paint, is your flat spots, you know, your tops of things, your corners. All that's got to be perfect, because that's what's really going to shine in your paint job to me. After we do that, you know, that's just kind of where we are in the process. And after we do all this, we'll take the masking off again, and then clean the truck up really good. Clean the garage. Garage is filthy dusty right now. So we've actually measured everything from the line, from the body line. 16 inches. That's, I've always done 16 inches on square bodies. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. The pins and the doors are sagged out, and we got it maxed out. We even shimmed the doors up a little bit and messed with them as much as we could. But I don't know how we're gonna get it to look really straight. So I'll turn you guys around. And it doesn't look bad, but you can definitely tell right there there's a problem. So this is all looking good. Looking good. Or decent, I guess I should say. Dead on 16 inches. And it's just not coming out all right there. You can see it right there. So yeah, I'm not sure what to do there. I don't know if Rory would approve of this, and it's way too late to call him. So would be green from that line up, and then just white all the way down, and then we can kind of jog just that line, because these lines are equally off what those lines are. I can't. This guy, why do you do that to me? It's like you've been sent on this earth to test me. Okay guys, this is what we're looking at right here. Over there. There you go. Look, on this side the bed's higher, or probably about where it's supposed to be. On that side it's bent. So, like what would you do? Try to split the difference, or do you just go with it? Like I don't understand. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm starting to stutter. It's getting late.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what to do here. There. Normally I would go down here. But Tyler brought up a good idea that maybe if it was straight, it looked straighter from above if you did it there. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but it sounded pretty good to me, bud. We're gonna ride with that anyways. That's just gonna be what it is.
On the
Usually,
red and black one, did you do the under it or over it?
On the red and black truck, we did normal style, so it would have been, I can show you real quick. So on my red and black two-tone pickup truck, Tyler actually helped me with, we actually went down here. And I think it's more factory where it's supposed to be. Like right there. So you just...
Dead center on the line?
Kind of. And then when you back tape it, you know, and you can even come down. All our lines on the bed and body are straight. So that's pretty much how factory is. Let's see. And then the cab tapers here. And then on the other side, it's way worse. And then the bed is like 1/4 inch lower on the other side. And it is bent. Like we looked underneath there. Aaron actually crawled under there and was looking around. And he's like, yeah, the bed's actually bent on that side. So this side's a lot closer. The other side's way off. So I don't know. The truck is level. That's the only thing good that we got going on. I don't know. The truck is finished in 400 grit sandpaper. It's been blocked, and we got a few little nicks and touch-ups we got to do, but we're not going to worry about them too bad, especially where this truck's going. Well, wish us luck. I think we split the gaps about as good as we can get it. It's going to be what it is. favorite part. My favorite part. Come on. Oh, man.